recorded, so you'll have that available to you at the end of the day.
I have a doubt.
I'm going to do some application problems at the end. I'll make sure I hit those, Justin, and that'll be more in tune with what you're going to see on your test. Okay, so recursive level 2. So if our first term is 8, okay, and this is a recursive sequence. So I'm going to set up to be able to answer this question. Okay, so I have my first term. I know that's 8. And then I need to get to my 5th term. So this is term 2, term 3, term 4, and term 5. And now what am I doing? So my previous term is being multiplied by -3, and then I'm subtracting -2. So let's do it. 8, our first term, times -3 is -24 minus 2. If you want to double check with your calculator, that's totally fine. But -24 minus 2
Equals
is going to be -26. So now we have to do it again. We're going to take our previous term, now -26. Thank you, Ms. KJ. We're going to multiply it by -3, and we're going to subtract 2. So now I'll do some math.
that means
So -3 times -26 minus 2.
minus 2.
And we get 76. And we keep going. -3 now times my previous term, 76. -3 times 76, subtract 2. We get -230. What do you guys notice? What's a pattern that you are seeing? What's a pattern you're seeing?
2, 7, 10, 10.
So we're not picking answers. Thank you for asking for clarification on this. So we're taking our previous term. So this means previous term. So to get -26, I take -3, I multiply it by 8, because that's our previous term, and then I subtract 2 to get this term here. To get 76, I take -3, I multiply it by my previous term, -26, and I subtract 2. So now to get our 5th term in the sequence, I'm going to say -3 times my term before, my previous term, and subtract 2. Cool? And that's why I like to kind of map it out. Thank you. And we get 688. Any additional questions about this problem? So our answer is going to be 688 because that is the 5th term in the sequence. Thank you. All right, we got 2 more minutes. Awesome sauce. Let's try an application problem. Let's do the capital one.